So in this video we're going to make a cardboard cutout of the name tag. For this here you're going to need a ruler, a compass, a pair of scissors, a pencil and some cardboard. Now when it comes to cardboard, I advise you not to use this thicker corrugated cardboard. It's very hard to bend and it's very hard to cut. Alright, use something like this here, really thin stuff. You'll be able to get this here from your cornflakes box or whatever. And the first thing we're going to do is there'll be a little fold line somewhere on this here, so we can use this here as a line to get the line straight across. Now if we look at this, the overall length of it is 110. So marking from the CM over to 11, that's your 110. Now what we want now is two perpendicular lines coming straight out from this. And how we do this, we're going to use our compass. Now you could also just simply draw the line, because this here is 90 degrees, draw the line out like this here. Technically the proper way to do it, get your compass, put it there, swing an arc, then put your compass here, swing an arc, swing another arc from these 2 points here, and that line there now will be exactly perpendicular. Over here what I'll do, I'll just show you then the other way you can just do it. Like that there. Now the length of the two sides now are 25. So we're going to have to come up here now, 25 and then 50. And then over here, 25 and then 50. This line along here is going to be our fold line, so we're just going to put it in dashed. This line here then is the end line, and we're going to put it in heavy. Last thing we're going to do now, we're going to put in these little curves. So how we're going to do that, we're going to measure in 10 and in 10, measure in 10 and in 10. Join those two lines together nice and lightly. And then we're going to measure up 10, 10 here, and then we're going to measure 10 here and 10 here. And this is going to give us the two little crosshairs that we're going to need, here and here. Here, here. It's very important we have little crosshairs. We don't have little dots like that. And the reason for that is when we go to put our compass in, we know that the compass exactly where it is to go in between those two crosshairs. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to measure over to the edge of the piece. And you're going to draw on that little curve there again into here. Draw the curve in the four corners. Put your name in this then. Now, what we're ready to do now is ready to cut this out with our scissors. Simply cut along here. Cut around our little curved part there. Perfect. And then we're just going to fold this along this line here. And that now is giving us a little cardboard cutout of our name tag.